Hello everybody, happy Tuesday. I wanted to get on here for our Tuesday tip and I wanted to talk home inspectors. So I've had some buyers ask me, who should I use for a home inspector? And especially out of town clients, they're not really sure who is a good home inspector here locally. And they've also asked me if they can have their home inspectors like in their hometown, for example, some Central Valley home inspectors. Can they come and do a home inspection for their purchase here on the Central Coast? Yes, they technically can. However, I always like to suggest to have a local home inspector do your home inspection. Why? Okay, so here's why. They are familiar with all of our local regulations and local laws. Okay, so that's a benefit to us. Not a lot of out-of-town home inspectors are going to know about any government retrofits, like if we have to have low-flow plumbing fixtures. And then also it's really important when we're negotiating for a request for repairs with having a local home inspector. And that's important because we want the listing agent and the seller on the other side to feel confident in who our home inspector is. So I know when I'm representing sellers and I see from the buyer's home inspector that he's local and I've heard of him, I know who he is and he has a reputable reputation, that I feel comfortable with his findings of the home inspection. So bottom line, if you are buying a house in any area, you want to use a local home inspector. And if you are buying a house here on the Central Coast, hopefully you're using me. If not, and if you need some names of some local home inspectors who do a phenomenal job, just let me know. Again, I am always here for you guys and happy to help. And that's my Tuesday tip. Have a good day.